Hey, Don Master here. Quick Mac tool haul. So I got the 123 piece Mac grip ratcheting 1/4" hex bit screwdriver set. It is the SBDR 123SA. Only reason I picked this up is it was on a deal. $99. Normally $199, I believe. And this deal goes on quite often on the Mac Flyer, Mac Tools Truck Flyer. And this is a set I have at home, mainly because it has pretty much everything in it. Everything you need to take apart anything in your house. Knives, remotes, batteries, whatever. So, I think this is an excellent value. I love the case. Let's open it up, let you have a look. This is brand new. So there it is. So you got the ratcheting screwdriver. Very good quality. You can run it locked, left or right. It doesn't have a removable shaft like the snap-on ones, but it's got a T-driver, T-handle. You can put a bit in there or this end, magnetic. It's got a 1/4" hex to 1/4" socket adapter, and then a 1/4" chuck quick adapter, locking. And then it's got one of the cool features. This is like the RBRT master set. Just none of it's RBRT. I don't really care. I'm not going to pay almost $300 for this set that's RBRT. Alec! Alec! Stop. You got the wing nut here. That's a cool option. Not a lot of sets have that. Sorry, the kid's playing with his weed whacker. And you got a bunch of ball hexes, all your flats, your Phillips, your PZs, more ball hex. You got your special Phillips, whatever, I don't know what they are. You got all your Torx, security Torx bits. You got all your security hex bits. And it's just a nice set. For $100, you can't go wrong. It's got some of the other tamper-resistant bits in it. Robinson. It's got some triple square stuff for your foreign vehicles. It's got a magnetic, not a magnetic, a bit holder. And everything's in here is Mac. Nothing's cheap. This is all good quality Mac stuff. So, anyways, that's the 123 piece bit set that I highly recommend to get from Mac when it goes on sale. So, have a good one. Bye.